He's loud. It's gonna be loud. Dude, literally. Go behind us. I have no clue this was real. That was loud.
What kind of train is it?
Union Pacific. Maybe we should go to the other crossing too.
Where do you think this train is going?
I think to Portland. What's that noise? That ding, ding, ding? It's probably the bell, right? There's a vehicle behind us, right? We got lucky. Dude, this will... What is that van doing? They're waiting, right?
Can I sit?
Yes, you can. What? I hear some strange sound on that side. What's making that ding noise? What's that ding noise up there?
That's the thing to tell you to stop.
He's like, stop your vehicle at once.
Yeah,
Should I?
close it up because it'll give me a little bit of a headache.
It's too loud.
It's too loud.
Do not aim the camera behind us because there's some vehicles behind us. Let's go to the other crossing.
Sure. All right.
Those guys are waiting to cross with us.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. All right, we can go.
You can stop it so we save spots for